Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the VelestOff Cayenne or Cayenne Pepper Drops are, what they offer, and how to use them. So let's get started. According to the official VelestOff websites, the VelestOff Circulation Blood Pressure Blend is a liquid dietary supplement formulated to support healthy circulation and cardiovascular health. The company says it combines cayenne extracts with ingredients including like hawthorn berry, beetroot extract, turmeric, and vitamin K2, and the D3 to support blood flow and overall the health or the heart health. According to the website, the cayenne pepper or cayenne pepper is included for the capsaicin contains or content, which the company says help you supports or helps supports basically healthy blood vessels functions. The company also states that the functions and Turamex help supports a healthy inflammatory response, and vitamin K2 and D3 contribute to overall cardiovascular health. The formula is described as being manufactured in a GMP certified facility and third party tested. But before purchasing, it's a good idea to carefully review the product's information and understand that dietary supplements may affect people differently. Be cautious of any health related claims, do your own research, and consult a healthcare professional if you have existing medical conditions to take prescriptions medicatory or medications. According basically to the official instructions, you will have to take two daily. You'll have to take two droppers daily, preferably with a meal. And the company says that the liquid can be taken directly or as directed on the product label. Use the supplements constantly and store the bottle in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, as says by the website. And of course, if you decide to purchase the products, you'll have to visit the official websites and select the package. You may find this also sold on other sellers. You'll have to do your own research about those as well. So carefully review the pricing, shipping information, and refund policy, whether your purchase will include any recurring subscriptions, or make sure, as example, you understand all of them before entering your payments information. If you have any questions before purchasing, you can review the frequently asked questions section. As you can see, you'll find this at the bottom of their websites. So if you have one of those questions, here is an example. I'm just going to open here the answers. You can pause the video and read this out. Or if you didn't find your answer here, you can go to the bottom of the page and you can find contact info, where you can basically find support email and where you can contact them. So as an example, if you want to purchase it, you'll find here packages that you can add to carts, then go to the checkout and enter your payment information, also with your shipping information. But as I said, make your own research before buying anything, and it's totally up to you if you buy it. And keep in mind, as with any dietary supplements, consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it, especially if you have a medical condition, as pregnant, as example, or are you taking a prescription, any prescription like medicaments. Also, make sure to do your own research and proceed with caution before making a purchase. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.